Welcome everyone. In this video, we will be talking about data science and data analytics. We will cover what is data science, what is data analytics, key difference between data science and data analytics, and the skills needed. Let's start with data science. What is data science? Data science is a multidisciplinary skill that focuses basically on data. It combines various techniques ranging from statistics, computer science, domain expertise, artificial intelligence, data analytics, and machine learning. The primary goal of data science is to study large amounts of raw unstructured data, build some models, derive strategic questions, and provide guidelines which will promote an organization growth. As a multidisciplinary field, data science involves highly complex roles, which include data modeling, building algorithms from scratch, and basically building and implementing new data structures. Though the specific rules of data science varies from organization. Someone who study data science is called data scientist, while that of data analytics is called data analyst. Data analytics. Data analytics is a discipline within the umbrella of data science. It focuses on querying, interpreting, and visualizing structured datasets, while data science focuses on providing answers to broad strategic questions and tasks. Data analyst task is very specific and provide answers to specific questions. Data analyst requires fewer skills compared to data scientists. Unlike data scientists, they probably have a better niche understanding of a particular area of a business in an organization. While data science focuses on big and unstructured data, a data analyst uses structured approach. Data analyst data is organized into a structured format to suit the specific questions that the analyst will need to answer. So a data analyst role will be more of regular reporting using visualization skills such as Power BI and the rest, providing answers to specific organizational questions of interest. Example questions like why are we losing customers? Data analysts also help in decision making. That is when business needs to make critical decisions such as when to increase production. However, a data analyst may also have to build some models and find patterns inside from a structured data. This probably depends on the type of data analysis. Okay, let's pause here. Imagine that data science is a choir master or music director in a choir setting, and a data analyst is a choir member in tenor parts. The data scientist, which is the choir master, will need to have a holistic understanding of all the different parts in the choir setting, while a data analyst, that is the tenor member, right, will basically be more specific in learning his parts to perfection. So that is just the difference between a data analyst and a data scientist. Data scientists have more holistic understanding of everything that concerns the data. Okay, let's dive into the key skills needed. It is very necessary we understand the different skills needed to be a data scientist or a data analyst. The major skill difference between data scientists and analysts lies in their scope and depth of expertise. Let's start with data science or data scientist. The major skills needed to be a data scientist include coding skills. To be a successful data scientist, you should be able to make use of different coding packages such as Python, SQL, and other programming languages to work perfectly with vast amounts of data. You will also need knowledge of data modeling, machine learning, and artificial intelligence for predictive analytics. Advanced knowledge of math and statistics is also a necessity. As a data scientist, it is also expected to have a good knowledge of data analysis skills, which include advanced knowledge of Excel, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, and other software packages used for data analysis. On the other hand, the skills needed to be a data analyst include visualization tools, ability to make use of Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and the rest. Effective presentation and typing skills. This skills is important because a data analyst, after analyzing the data, will have to present or talk about all of these to others, such as stakeholders, business owners, team members. This can be done either through emails, documents, or one-on-one presentation. Intermediate programming skills, familiar with Python, R, SQL, ability to explore data using SQL. Another thing I would like us to know concerning data science is that data science is a senior role. That is, for you to become a data scientist, you will have to know all that a data analyst should know, or better still, you must first be a data analyst. Therefore, I recommend data analyst for beginners. Then subsequently, you can dive into data science or other professions after you might have gotten a good knowledge on domain skills, software skills, and experience. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe to our channel so you can always get notification each time we upload a video. Thanks. Bye bye.